One thing that our readings today would like to remind us is that God would never miss seeing our value. Hindi nawawala sa pagtingin ng Diyos ang kahalagahan ng bawat tao. But if we will ask how, let us expect that it will not always be comfortable at all times. Hindi naman sa palagi ang masarap pakinggan, pero may pagkakataong minsan kailangan tayong makirot at kailangan tayong gisingin. We've heard our first reading today from the prophecy of Ezekiel. The Lord was reminding the shepherds of Israel about their duties and responsibilities. Hindi na sila nagpapastol ng maayos. Nililigaw na nila yung kanilang mga tupa. Kinalat na nila yung mga tupang pinapahalagahan sana dapat nila. But the Lord was good enough to see and regain their being shepherds, the value of being shepherds, by reminding them of their duty and even of helping them think twice if they are still capable of that responsibility. On the one hand, our gospel today would give us a picture how that landowner saw the value of those around him. He gave them duties to those capable. He gave duties and accepted even those seeming to be less given opportunities, granting them privileges, granting them what is just. Ayaw niya na may nawalan. Kaya nga nung lumabas siya nung hapon, he saw others who are idle, seemingly were not able to be accepted by others. At tinanggap niya ito, giving them what is just for them. Ayaw ng may nalalamangan, gusto lahat may halaga. We all carry with us little responsibilities, maybe bigger responsibilities. Little work, bigger loads or amounts of work. May ibinibigay po ang Diyos sa atin dahil sa mga bagay na mayroon tayo, sa bahay man o nasaan man tayo, mga pagkakataon ito para maramdaman nating may halaga tayo. Kahit man wala na tayong tinatrabaho, nasa bahay na lang tayo para mag-alaga ng bahay, para asikasuhin ang mga bata, asikasuhin ang kasama sa bahay. Pagpaparamdam ito ng kahalagahan natin sa bawat isa. At sa mga ibinibigay niyang responsibilidad, mas lumalago tayo sa ating pagkatao. Much more, the Lord would not only value those who are capable or learned, but He values so much those who are little, those seeming we call late learners. He values great and small people alike. As we have said, we remember the holiness of Saint Pius X. We have one side chapel dedicated to this saint, the chapel upon your entrance sa inyo pong kanan. He is called as the Pope of the Holy Eucharist and was the one behind to rally the lowering the age of receiving communion at the age of 9. Before, Catholics can only receive communion in their teenage years. But with Pius X, he was able to rally the lowering of the age of receiving communion at age 9. By the mere fact that he lowered the receiving of Holy Communion, Pius X saw not only the value of the Eucharist touching the lives of small and little children, but he saw how little children can get their value from the Eucharistic Lord, on how as they receive the Lord, they gain happiness deep within. Hindi po sa lahat ng bagay magaan o madali tayong pahalagan. May panahon din na minsan kailangan tayong dikdikin at paalalahanan. Pinapahalagahan tayo dahil mahal tayo. We are invited today not only to value those who are able, but to also value those who are small. To have eyes that do not only see, but eyes and heart that will value a lot.